Social work is more than a career, it's a commitment to standing with people in moments of crisis, growth and transformation. It's about challenging injustice, advocating for change and helping communities thrive. It's complex, courageous work, and for those who feel called to it, it's also deeply rewarding. The Master of Social Work qualifying was designed for people ready to turn that calling into action. Social work brought together my creativity, optimism and love of people in a way nothing else had. You'll join a diverse, supportive cohort where learning happens through dialogue, reflection and lived experience. From mental health to child and family work, policy to culturally responsive practice. So students don't just learn theory, they apply it in real time through collaborative group work and problem solving. It's where they realise that their values, voice and lived experience matters. They have seen the power to create change, not just for individuals, but at a systemic level. This isn't just a qualification, it's a shift in how you see the world and your place in it. If you're ready to build a career that changes lives, including your own, this could be where your journey truly begins.